Alright, so here we go. We got the 2022 BETA XTrainer, which is a 300 two-stroke. I'll be honest, I don't really know a whole lot about these bikes, so I don't know what really the difference is in the XTrainer versus the regular model. Oh, it definitely feels smaller. Feels like it's got like a smaller seat height, maybe. Huh. Or maybe it's just easier to handle or something. It's definitely feels like it's low to the ground, and I'm 6'3", so this one feels a little bit cramped for me, this XTrainer. But we're gonna see how it feels out there. Commonwealth Motorsports in Hayes, Virginia is putting on this demo day. If you're interested in buying a BETA, definitely reach out to them. I'll have a link in the description with their website link and their phone number. Definitely get yourself hooked up on one of these awesome BETA motorcycles through Commonwealth Motorsports. This thing honestly might feel torquier than like the regular 300. This thing feels super torquey. Yeah, the main difference I've noticed of this between the other bikes is it's so easy to like stay standing up and just weave in and out. My foot was on the brake. I went to sit down and I fully locked it up. All right, just a light tip over, nothing drastic. So I was saying before I tipped it over is that this feels really like narrow and nimble, and it feels easy to bob and weave through like the really tight stuff. This seems like a really fun play bike. But the only thing I notice is with the motor up top, like especially compared to the 300 two-stroke, the regular one. Up top, this thing flattens out a lot, so it doesn't have a whole lot of top power. But the torque is really what you want anyway, I think, with a bike like this. Yeah, this thing feels easier. It must be smaller or something. It feels easier to just stand up and cruise around on it. And the suspension on this, it might just be soft, but it's like surprisingly good. I'm gonna let him pass. Oh yeah, Harvey's tearing it up. Oh, the brakes on this XTrainer are good, man. He's getting it. Not sure if he knows exactly where the trail goes. There he is. Get it. Uh-oh. Coming in hot. I'm gonna have to come do another lap on this XTrainer because this course is just looking good. It's shaping up really nicely today. All the dirt's nice and fresh. Heck yeah. Alright, we're gonna do one more lap. See you later, bro. Good riding with you, Harvey. I gotta do one lap on this XTrainer, really feel what it's all about. I would describe the XTrainer, I guess, as easy to ride, user-friendly. Alright, we're gonna try not to slam on the brakes up here in this tight section again, as I'm talking about how docile and easy it is to yeah, it's just smooth. Yeah, if you want a bike that has ample power and torque when you really need it, but is overall just kind of like easy and manageable to ride, I think this 300 XTrainer is what you gotta go for. This bike seems like it'd be good for someone who really just likes lugging it around. Like, you don't really have to shift a whole lot at all in that single track. You just keep it low in the RPM and cruise around, and it's really smooth. This thing is just an absolute lug machine. That one's actually pretty fun. It feels, the XTrainer definitely feels too small for me. I feel like at a certain height, this isn't going to be very comfortable for you. Like I said in the beginning, I'm 6'3". Huge shout out to Commonwealth Motorsports for hooking up this whole event. If you're located anywhere in Virginia, Commonwealth Motorsports in Hayes, Virginia is your BETA dealership. So if you're interested in checking any of these BETA dirt bikes out, definitely go hit them up. They got all the latest products, great prices, awesome customer service. I'll have their phone number down in the description or on the screen. I'll have a link to their website on screen down in the description. Definitely give them a shout if you're interested. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.